Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add public holidays to your Google Calendar. So here I'm going to just start by opening the Google Calendar apps on my phone. As you can see now on my calendar, there are no public holidays shown in the calendar. And if you want to add the public holidays to your calendar, you can just easily do it by clicking on the three lines icon at the top left corner first, and then you need to scroll down until you find holidays options in here. So you need to check this box on holidays, and your Google Calendar will be reload. When you go back, you can see now the public holidays will be shown through the calendar. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.